Hey all, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies and I am so excited today. The big kit of the year for many people, the MG lovers in particular, has finally landed. That is the Eclipse. Now I have done an unboxing of this video just a little while back and now I have finally been able to put the kit together, and I gotta say this is one of my favorite master grades of all time. It is fantastic. But let's not waste time, let's dive straight into it. Okay, also this is a breakdown of what comes in the box. You have the Eclipse Gundam itself with its awesome menacing silhouette. I really do love this kit. It could very well be my favorite master grade of all time, but we will come back to that. You have your manual sticker style decals. We have the twin beam sabers along with the sheaths, which double as the beam rifles. So to do that, you remove the beam saber effect parts from the actual handles. You place the handles, slide the handles into the sheaths and pull the handles down, which transforms it into a really cool, awesome looking beam rifle. On top of that, the actual beam effect parts on these beam sabers are fantastic. They're not standardized for any other sort of kit. They are very vigorous and very mean looking. Really quite cool, and again, very unique to this kit. From there, we have the beam effect parts for the guards on the arms, double up as shields along with attacking weapons. So you take off the yellow pieces on the arm, attach the effect parts. You can either just have the V part attached at the top if you just want to make it a sort of small shield, buckler sort of style, or you can also attach the pointed end to the front, make it an actual slashing / stabbing weapon. Really quite cool. Going on to the hand bits, so the hands are the pretty standard master grade peg on the side, attached straight into the side of the palm. And obviously the thumb is on a ball joint in there. Really quite cool. But the actual hand pieces itself, so we've got the two fist style on the kit itself at the minute, and then you have a total of 9 more others, so a grand total of 11 hand pieces, which is just fantastic. On a lot of master grades, you'll be lucky to get 8, maybe 6. So to have all these options is really cool, really awesome for Bandai to throw that in. Comes with an action base one, really good that you don't have to go out and buy that as a separate thing, and comes with a really good functional adapter, which slots in really well, keeps this kit held in fantastically, so not falling off the shelf, which is really cool. So in terms of the build quality of this, guys, it is fantastic. You do have the head and the chest piece are built completely together, which is really unique. The arms themselves are on a separate joint to the actual top of the shoulder armor there, which is really quite cool. You get a lot of forward and backward and sort of upward movement there. On the waist, you do get a decent amount of ab crunch to begin with, but there's a little flap you can pull back on the back flap there. Detach that, and once you detach that, then you get a full 90-degree forward, which is just absolutely fantastic. Very rare you see that even in master grade, which is really cool. And in the legs, there is so much going on with these legs. To make a simple breakdown of it, there is a full mechanic where the actual front arm of the leg will separate from the back part of the leg and the foot itself. Really quite awesome there. So as you can see, we have laid out here a small variety of different packs from the Master Grade Seed and Seed Destiny lines. So we have the Ale Strike, we have the Strike Rouge pack there, we have the Sword Silhouette, and we do have the Infinite Justice backpack there. Now, unfortunately, not all of these are compatible with the Eclipse. Bandai does state that you will have varying degrees of success with different packs. Honestly, I think it's about 70–80% definitely compatible with all the Zaku Wizard packs. and all the packs for the strike, that much is 100% certain. And yeah, some of these, pretty much all the strike packs do not require any adapter. You can slot those straight in the back. The silhouette packs for the Impulse do require adapters, so do the Wizard packs. And unfortunately, stuff like the Infinite Justice pack is not compatible with this in any way, shape, or form. I have tried, unfortunately, but you know, you can't win them all. In terms of the connectivity, so the Ale Strike and the Strike Rouge packs just slot straight into the back. Has the exact same attachment point as the actual Strike itself. This being a lot of this being based on the sort of Freedom 2.0 basis for the inside. You can actually see that it does have a lot of that compatibility with the older Seed style kits. And then with the silhouette packs for the Impulse, just need to remove 2 of the pegs at the back, and then attach in a small sort of square adapter. Put that in, and you've got compatibility there. And with the Wizard packs, there are other adapters that do come in the box as well for the Eclipse that will give you that compatibility there. So all in all, this is an absolutely fantastic kit. It is so striking with how it looks. It's very unique, particularly in the Seed universe. The fact that it's built using a lot of the parts of the Freedom 2.0 frame is just fantastic. That kit is amazing, and this just makes it even better. The fact that it's modular as well, can mix and match it with other kits, and its transformation gimmick. This kit is absolutely astonishing. Bandai have really outdone themselves, and I hope to see more of this style in the future. So guys, if you're after one of these for yourself, feel free to check our website, metrohobbies.com.au. Leave us a comment down below, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will catch you in the next video. Take it easy.